Hello guys and welcome to my science tutorials. In today's video, we want to learn how to create automatic bar charts as you can see in Excel. Now, you can see the scores over here and you can see the bar chart over here. Now, this bar chart is actually very active and very responsive in that, for instance, if I change the 80% over here to let's say 10%, and I press enter, you can see that the bar chart has reduced. And if I increase it back to 80, let me say 70%, you can see the bar chart responding like that. Now, in order for you to be able to do this is what we are going to do. So rather than coming here, I'm going to insert tab and then under your icons shapes, rather than using these shapes to actually try to depict your progress bar in progress bar or bar chart in Excel, we don't want to do that. We want to make it very responsive. So the first thing I will do, okay, just to save some time, I'm going to copy this part of the table. So let me just quickly paste it here. So I select this, and then I copy, then I come here and then I paste. Okay, so just a sec. So now that I've pasted it, I'll just increase the column over here, double tap to increase here as well, and then I'll call this progress bar. So progress bar. Okay, all right, so let me extend that. Very good. And then let me apply the page border, all borders all across. Okay, so now that we have this, let's go ahead and see how we can create the progress bar or the bar chart in this case. So to be able to do that, what I'll do is I'll type equals rep, rept, okay, repeat this, and then I type this exclamation sign and then this sign actually. Okay, so this straight line or this sign on your computer, and then I press the quotation. So it means I want this particular line, okay, that symbol to be repeated. So I press comma. Now, how many number of times do I want that symbol to be repeated? So I want it to be repeated by 70. Okay, the number over here in the scores, okay, multiplied by 100. Are you okay? So the formula again, so we are saying that we should repeat this symbol, okay, this symbol this number of times, that is the score, multiplied by 100, and that is what we want. So if I press enter, you see this is what it is going to give me. So let me move this. Okay, so this is what it is giving me right now. It's not looking very beautiful, but we'll make some changes. So I'll repeat the same formula for all. So I'll just drag to the end over here, and then you can see what I have over here. So this is what I have for now. Now for us to just change it from these straight lines or these vertical lines to the progress bar or the bar chart, this is what we do. So I'll select everything over here in my progress bar, then I'll go under font. Okay, under font I'll just type playbill, yeah, so Play bill. Okay, and then I press enter. Okay, so once I convert them to playbill, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to look like the progress bar that you have seen. Now don't forget that this is not a shape, it's like a font or a text. So for me to change the color, I come to font color over here. I can choose any color I want, either blue, gold, red, or yellow, or anything, but I'm going to go for green in this case. So that is that. So now if I come here and then I make this 100%, you can see that the bar chart will actually respond accordingly like that. And as well, if I come here and let's say I type 20%, you can see that the bar chart has also been reduced. Okay, so now let me shift this close to this, the 100%. so that when it's 100%, it's actually very full. So yes, for instance, if I change the staff one the score to 100%, okay, I know that the bar is actually full. Very good. And then if I make this, let's say 80%, it should be very close to what I have. Let me make this just, let's say 15%. Okay, and it goes down like that. So this is how you create a progress bar or a bar chart, very active and very reactive in Excel. So thank you so much for watching. I believe you've learned something new in Excel today, and you can use this to impress your boss or your teacher or whoever you want to impress at your workplace or in school. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.